Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Windy City Breakers, and we're live on Breakers TV, YouTube, and Facebook. And today we have a 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Football Series 1 3-box quarter case PYT. Pick your team, number 6. Today is March 18th, 2022. Thank you for the fill. I appreciate it. What's up, Jeff? What's up, Roman? What's up, Eddie? Here we go. Box 1. Tennessee. Eclipse. Dupree. Beckett right there. All right. There we go. Number 2. Vikings. Amp. Yep. Dalvin Cook. Very nice. Right there. Number 33. Dalvin Cook. JSA. Beautiful. Dalvin Cook exclusive sticker. And JSA with a Viking sticker. Hella nice. Congrats on that. I like it. I'm a Bears fan, and I like it. Number 3. Last box. Let's rub it. Big Mojo. Open it up. Panthers. Eclipse. Greg Olsen. Beautiful. Beckett right there. Nice color. Absolutely. That is sick. Very nice. Alright. That was a break. With that being said, let me get this break video. And to YouTube, this has been Windy City Breakers. And we're live on Breakers TV, YouTube, and Facebook. See you next time.